Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Apraw TV. Sa video natin ito, magluluto tayo ng buttered crab. But bago yan, kapag bago ka pa sa channel ko, don't forget to like, comment down below, then subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell for more updates. Thank you. Hello guys, good morning. Sa video natin ito, magluluto tayo ng buttered crab. Yan, si crab. So, ingredients natin. We have here garlic, 6 cloves of garlic, and medium size of onion, and 5 cloves of garlic, 1 sachet of oyster sauce, 3/4 of salt, 3/4 of tablespoon of salt, then butter. So, kayo lang bahala kung anong karami yung butter. So, yung gagawin natin, first, ilagay natin tong garlic sa kaldero, tsaka itong 3/4 of salt. Tapos maglalagay tayo ng 2 glasses of soda. We have here first glass and second glass. So ano natin glass, pagkukulan natin to in 15 minutes in a low heat. Tara. So, yan guys, papakukuloan natin guys. Takpan natin. Yan guys. Kumukulo na. Lipat natin sa empty Tupperware. So, ito na yun guys. Nailipat na natin sa Tupperware. So, lulutuin na natin ulit. Okay, dito sa pot guys, maglagay lang ng konting oil. Yan, may 1 tablespoon. Tapos, ilagay natin tong butter. Yan. So, yan. Lagay natin. And guys, after a minute na yung butter, lagay natin yung garlic. Pagkatapos ng garlic guys, lagay natin yung onion. Haluin. Tapos guys, ilagay natin yung oyster sauce. Haluin. Katapos guys, isalin natin yung crab. Pagkatapos natin malagay yung crab guys, takpan natin. Papakuluan na natin siya ng 10 minutes. So, after 10 minutes guys, ito na yun guys. So, antayin lang natin maubos yung sabaw. So, ito na yun guys. Mayroon ng kunting sabaw. So, kunin natin. So, ito na yung output natin guys. Ayan. Buttered crab. And that's all for this video guys. Again, don't forget to like, then comment down below, then subscribe. Shout out din nga pala kay Edison Marsamulo, kasin ko dyan sa Cebu. At kay Jongjong Dos Reyes, Iski Chairman, ang Barangay San Jose, Aurora, Sambuanga del Sur, Papa Jujing Dos Reyes. At saka kay Pagong. That's all.